caught up writing blame on blank pages.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Hope from our video you will get some help to deliver presentation. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. So without wasting further time, let's move on to our video. So today's our presentation topic is Restaurant Management System and our group members are Visakha, Himshika, Sakshi and Sandhya. So our contents are introduction, objective, features, benefits of restaurant management system, scope of software, technology and tools used, limitations, and lastly, conclusion. So let's come to the introduction. The restaurant management software is a capstone project that aims toward developing an all-in-one application that addresses the various problems and challenges faced by high-end restaurant owners today. Given that this project encapsulates more than one interface, it is by nature rich when it comes to the number of functionalities that are offered, and this vary depending on the user's role. Capstone means the wide variety of from a long time investigate, which is high point. For example, it allows the waiter to take user's order through a straightforward, user-friendly and smooth interface. All in all, this project main aim is to reduce the time overhead in high-end management restaurants by providing an alternative to the traditional management system based on physical records keeping and paperwork. Now let's come to the objective. The complete happening in the restaurant, that is all the transaction, orders, payment, expenses, inventory and all other vital data are captured by the system. This way all the sales data is made secure and accurate in depth. Our restaurant management system may also run the system using your tablet, so the waiting staff can take orders and alert the kitchen and counter even before leaving the table. By going digital, there are chances where we rectify the mistake easily by looking at the reports, with each will help restaurant to generate financial statements accurately and fast. Now I like to call Sakshi Nakarmi for features.
Thank you, Visakha. Some of the features of restaurant management system are easy menu setup, technical support, tracking sales, and better communication. Easy menu setup. The menu for the restaurant must be easy. What will you do when you wish to make changes in the pricing? So the first consideration is easy menu setup. Menu configuration in a restaurant has to be simple and easy. No one wants the terminal or server to reboot when you want to make minor changes. Number 2, technical support. You may have experienced a significant setback when your system is down and the staff is unable to take orders on the phone and manage anything efficiently. The importance of excellent support from restaurant POS can never be overstated. Protect your investment and sanity with a 24/7 support with the best food ordering app. Number 3, tracking sales. Every restaurant deals with a credit card and cash transactions, so it is imperative that the software tracks all the business sales data, making it easy for the owner. When the sales data is intact, you have the power to make the right decisions and smart choices. For example, you can make changes in your menu when you know which has been the best and worst selling item. Most importantly, you have an overview of the sales data that further determines the profit. Number 4, better communication. With a good restaurant management software, the communication flow is smooth. Our restaurant management software allows you to take orders via smartphone. This way, there is no confusion between the stewards and the chefs, as the communication is strong between them. I like to call Himshika Bhandari for the topic benefits of restaurant management system.
Thank you, Sakshi. So now let's talk about the benefit of restaurant management system. So number 1, track sale down to each item. All transactions are captured by the system, including orders, payments, voids, promo deals, and expenses, so your sales data is accurate and is put onto the last item. Revenues, therefore, are accurately giving you the real health of your operations. So number 2, generate financial statement fast and accurately. Where transactions are captured digitally, manual errors are avoided. For example, each transaction is time stamped and the recorded with other details such as sold items and the employee's name who performed this transaction. Sales data is also synced with inventory and CRM for customer data to update their records as well. With data consolidated in one place, the integrity of your financial report is protected. So number 3 is efficient staff management. A restaurant management system with an employee scheduler will help you allocate more staff during peak hours and less on downtime. And number 4 is better communication between the kitchen, waiting, and cashier. The perennial problem in the running restaurant is that somewhere along the way someone mixes up information. The result, an angry customer whose order is, if not wrong, remain unaddressed or improperly billed. A restaurant management system does away with this scenario. So now the number 5 is cost saving. There are many areas where you can squeeze out saving. With the better managed employee schedule and inventory, you cut losses to your daily operation. Likewise, variance are avoided or at least significantly reduced, adding more saving to your budget. So now let's talk about the scope of software. So this software can be used in many restaurant, hotel, cafe, bakery, etc. to manage the staff detail, to manage the food detail, and for efficient payment method. So next is the technology which are used in our software are, so this software are made using the hardware such as the keyboard and mouse and the visual display unit, and the software which are used in our system are Windows Operating System, Visual Studio 2019 and SQL 2019 SSAID.
And now I like to talk about some limitations of our project. As you know that we in every applications we have some pros and cons. Like this, we already talk about its feature. Now I like to talk about some cons and limitations of our project, and which are listed below. Code in C# is only targeted towards the Windows operating system. Anything that is not available in the .NET framework is difficult to implement in C#, as it is dependent on the .NET framework. C# is less flexible as it mostly depends on the .NET framework. Performance in C# is slower as compared to C. Like this, we have more limitations in our project. Like this, licensing cost in ASP.NET, many aspects of the .NET family will cost money in terms of licensing fees, and they can stack up. The more demanding the project, the more expensive it can get. Stability issues for new releases. Finally, whenever the company decides to launch new features or make new updates, documents and support can be lacking. Now let's come to the conclusion at last. So the restaurant management system is used to develop restaurant business to provide orders. The restaurant management system is it facilitates us to deal with the customer and reduce the work effort and less time in use. There are no delays for customer. There is main screen containing on the table of food that allows the customer to choose the food and show him the final cost of the order and connect with the main program. Like this, due to this applications, the customers does not have to face any queue issues and your time will be managed properly. With restaurant, this application, the billing is made faster and easier, allowing you to serve and the most satisfied customer will with higher priority. And due to this application, there will be better communication between the restaurant staff and customer. At final, we have some screenshots of our project, and the first one is our main page, Paricar, and our restaurant name is Paricar, having home specials, about menu, save, contact, login. Like this, we have to manage our restaurant applications and to manage staffs and different related data in restaurant. We have admin login, and we have our specials, pizza, burger and noodles. Like this, here we have for the billing system also, we have food billing and dessert billing. And if admin does not have account, he or she can make a account through this sign up page. And here's the page of our dessert and food recording after the customers comes and they add. Thank you.